Some years back, I had gone to visit the sick at our own GMC hospital in Bambolim, Goa. And as I was visiting the patients, I encountered one youngster who was in terrible pain because he had met with an accident and had multiple fractures on his body. And in these moments of agony, every now and then, he would say these words: "If I had obeyed my mother, I would not have suffered this pain. If I had obeyed my mother, I would have not suffered this pain." It seems his father bought him a very expensive, high-powered bike. And the mother would continually, unceasingly exhort him to follow the traffic rules, the traffic signs. But his enthusiasm led him to put aside all these rules, all these signs, and he would drive or ride according to his whims and fancies. And one fine day, he met with an accident. Multiple fractures on his body. And at that time, he realized that if he had obeyed the instructions of his mother, he would not have to go through this ordeal of pain, of misery, of suffering.